Hello everyone, my name is Dana Barlow. I'm currently a high school teacher at Rocky Mount Prep. I teach world history and African American studies. I am a part of the residency program here at North Carolina Wesleyan University under the leadership of Dr. Spragley, who's an awesome chair. I would like to say that I'll be finishing up the residency program within a year due to me already having my bachelor's in criminal justice from Elizabeth City State. So just being able to transfer over here to North Carolina Wesleyan and still be on track, really motivated me to stick to the resident program so I can finish in time. Honestly, there is no balance. You have to find your personal balance. So being that I'm a full-time teacher and a full-time student, really I just have to, sit down, come up with my own individual personal plan for myself to be able to reach my goals that I need to, all while still making sure my students get what they need on a day-to-day basis. Wesleyan was my choice to continue my education because of the hands-on personal experience that I got talking with everyone. Everyone in the administration department, admissions made sure that I knew about everything. I knew the program I was getting into and what my end goal would be with joining the program. Residency program, just know that you'll be fully supported on your journey.